Hello, and welcome back to some Kingdom of Hearts, Dream Drop Distance. And I forgot what we were doing last time when we left off, and that was a long time ago. I have no idea where we're going. Nope. I actually have been thinking of... Wait, hold on.
I'm Riku. My name's Quasimodo. I'm very sorry.
Quasimodo! Man!
Actually, I'm looking for a man named Frollo. Do you know where he is? My master? He said he had business on the outskirts of the city. Do you mean you know him?
Give him the money!
Yes.
Give him the money!
He's very kind.
I'm weird.
Saved my life.
Oh well.
He protects me from the outside world.
My camera still sucks butt.
People out there will be cruel to me. I'm a monster, you know.
You're not a monster. You're beautiful. You're beautiful, man.
Trust me, looks can be deceiving. A good friend sees you for who you are.
Don't judge a book by its cover, everybody. Don't do that. And that's not nice.
You should go out
Don't
there,
do this.
find some friends who understand you. No,
Ugh.
my master forbids it. Not to set foot outside. Are you sure that's what's stopping you? Because I think something else is holding you back. Ask your
It
heart.
feels like it's been a month for me uploading something. Ugh.
I'll check the edge of town. Thanks. Wish I could take
I have beautiful hair. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so I've been thinking of uploading some stuff. Actually, me playing computer games. Yeah, even though I'm not good with the keyboard and stuff. I've been thinking of doing Minecraft, because I already have it for the Xbox and the PC. I had the PC one for like a long time. Dance! No, run away like a coward. My specialties. Don't even know. I don't even know where to go. Ah. Run, 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 running, 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 running. Don't care. Running. Running building. Woo! Ah, I just went to the same place. No. No. I knew I'm a fire. I have no idea where to go. Okay, let's look at the map. Okay. I need to go this way. To these gates. Move out the way. I don't want you. Who likes you, Mr. Elephant? Or Mrs. Demon? It depends on what gender you are. I'm on a bridge. I just saw a big ass hot whale. Be free.
Not like this is fair. No use. I gotta run for it.
Yes. Running, 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 running. Ah! No! Do 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 do. Oh. Oh, the monster's gonna kill me. Ah! No! Run! Running! If you guys are wondering why have I been gone for a long time, the games I was playing on the Xbox, they got corrupted. Which kinda sucks. For Dust, I had to replay the game up to the part I stopped at. And in Minecraft, I think I'm just gonna do a new file. I'm just not gonna build different house, different way of doing it. Blah 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 blah. And I'm still running. Run! My little legs can't take it. Put a tap. Pop! Don't even know what I was doing for there. Come on. Still don't know where I'm going. Okay, this is the right way to go, I'm guessing. Oh well.
Stand aside, Captain. I will not. What have these people done wrong? I have proof this
They bitch slapped him. No.
I can think of few crimes that are greater. No.
I don't even know what the gypsy is. I don't even know what it is.
What demon is this? Oh, you are mistaken, Captain Phoebus. This is no demon. It is righteous judgment. I have been granted this power so that I may smite all gypsies now and forever.
Damn, fuck the gypsy.
You won't listen. Once you've fallen that far, there's almost no coming back. How dare you? I am a virtuous man. Good and evil shall be made plain. Once the gypsies face the fire of judgment.
You put a kick me sign on his back. Nah, that's just stupid.
No, you don't.
Damn. He just pwned you.
You all right? Well, can't say it took more pain. You should take it easy. I'll deal with Frollo. Thanks.
Mr. Frodo.
It's embarrassing having to rely on a kid. You wouldn't be the first. Sorry. I'll admit, you look more capable than me right now. All right. Be careful. Looks like that creature is heading for the cathedral. Okay. Got it.
Well, this is it for this video. Bye, guys. Don't worry, I will upload something next Saturday or Sunday. Well, bye.